Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be broadcast today at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And keeping our fingers crossed, we're hoping we don't have a major freeze-up like last week and the week before and the week before that. We've made an adjustment to the iPad to transmit the video in a lower rate. Because we read somewhere on the internet that will help, so we're going to give that a try and see. Unfortunately, if it does freeze up, I will try to do a reconnect and continue the broadcast. I did that last week, but that didn't solve the problem. We were still frozen. Don't know what's going on. A few people have given us some suggestions, and none of those are particular to our problem. So we'll see. But anyways, we will be on 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, Sunday, December the 9th, 2018. See you later, I hope. Bye-bye.